Get ready for Rajasthan High Court judgment. 5 seconds. Start. Both parties have agreed that the petition may be disposed finally. Stop. The learned additional Chief Judicial Magistrate number 4 Jaipur City has by his order dated 2/8/1985 rejected to application of the accused petitioner for consolidating the 5 cases pending against him. Stop. Against this order, the present petition has been moved. Stop. Para. The petitioner, who is a conductor, has been charged for the offences under sections 420, 468, 471 IPC committed by him from 4 1975 to 29/10/1975. Stop. However, 15 items consolidating these offences have been broken up in 5 so that each case relate to 3 items. Stop. Being a conductor on a bus, he is said to have made alterations in the counterfoils of the bus ticket so as to convert them into tickets for a lesser distance at a lesser fare than what was the original, and has therefore cheated the employer. Stop. According to the accused petitioner, it would be in his interest if the 5 cases are consolidated and tried together by recording one set of evidence in the case, but according to the learned magistrate. Stop. Section 218 CRPC comes in the way, which provides for joining any number of offences not exceeding 3. Stop. Para. Section 218 CRPC is the main provision in his respect which provide for separate charge and separate trial for each distinct offence. Stop. However, this is subject to exceptions provided in section 21 bracket 2, section 219, 220, 221 and 224 CRPC, and it may be added that the proviso to section 218 bracket 1 can also be taken to an exception to the main proviso. Stop. Para. Under section 212 bracket 2 CRPC, where the charge relates to misappropriation of money, it shall be sufficient to specify the gross sum and the dates between which the offence is alleged to have been committed, and the charge so framed shall be deemed to be the charge with in the meaning of section 219 CRPC. Thus, in such cases, the restriction on not joining more than 3 offences provided in section 219 CRPC will not be attracted if the offence is to be treated as one offence. Stop. In the present case, all the items of misappropriation fall within a period of 1 year and as such can be tried together. Stop. Para. Section 218 CRPC, which is based on section 223 of the old code, is an improvement upon the previous law. The proviso to this subsection is now stopped. The reason for introducing the same are that where the accused himself wants a joint trial, the court may allow the same, not withstanding the strict rules in other provisions. Stop. The only point considered relevant in this respect is that the accused should apply in writing, and the magistrate must be satisfied that the accused will not be prejudiced by a joint trial of all or some of the charge framed against him. Stop. Para. In 1977, CRLJ bracket NOC 105 bracket HP joint trial of offences committed during a period of 1/2 month was not held to be misjoined of charges. Stop. In 1970, RLW 375 accused was charged with more than three defalcations in respect of amount received during a year. Stop. It was held that the joint trial was not vitiated. Stop. It may be pointed that in a number of decisions on sections 233 oblique 234 of the old code, joint trial of offences committed during the course of 1 year have been approved even though they were more than three in number. Stop. The guiding principle will which ordinary regulate the departure from separate trial of distinct offences is to save the accused from the prejudice which an embarrassment of the kind is likely to cause to the defense. Stop. Para. The exceptions to section 218 CRPC are to be interpreted in such a manner that any prejudice or embarrassment which may be caused to the accused is avoided. Stop. Then under proviso to section 218 bracket 1, the accused has himself applied in writing for joint trial, then the prayer is to be accepted unless the magistrate is of the opinion that the accused person is likely to be prejudiced. Stop. This proviso clarifies that if both the conditions are satisfied, then the magistrate may, by together all or any number of the charges framed against him. Stop. Thus, there is no limit placed on the number of charges, and the only conditions to be fulfilled are. Stop. Para. That the accused has applied in writing for a joint trial, and that the magistrate is of opinion that it will not cause prejudice to the accused. Stop. Para. In the present case, clause number 1 has been fulfilled. Stop. The magistrate has not said anything about clause number 2 but has limited the joinder of more than three charges. His restriction is unwarranted. Stop. Para. In my opinion, this is a case where the separate trial of the accused in respect of three items in each case would cause prejudice and embarrassment to the accused, and a joint trial will be for convenience. Stop. No prejudice will be caused to him because of a joint trial. Stop. Thank you.